Hey guys, welcome back to another QX56 video, and in today's video we're actually going to be changing the bulbs in the reverse backup lights. And one of the reasons why I want to do that is because at night when you're backing up, these regular bulbs are just not bright enough for the camera to see, which is here, and a lot of times, you know, it's kind of a little too dark in the middle of the night when you're backing up. So what I did is I got a pair of Alla lighting LED bulbs. So these are premium bulbs, and what is required is a 921 for this vehicle. So this should be as easy as plug and play, and not only should these be a lot brighter, but technically they should last a lot longer too. So alright, so let's go ahead and open up the lift gate. So underneath the lift gate we got a couple panels that we can pop off, and behind this panel we can see the bulb sockets and everything under here. So you can use a flat screwdriver, but I got this little plastic prier here. So once you pop that off, you can see that there's two bulbs here. This is the tail light and this is the backup light. So all you gotta do is twist it counterclockwise and it should drop out. Pretty simple. And so all we need to do now is just pull this old bulb out and then get our new bulb and plug it back in there. So let's check out what these new bulbs look like. Alright, so it looks like they come in a little pouch here. Wow, check them out. They actually look pretty cool. So here's our stock bulb. And these are actually quite a bit longer. I hope that's going to work. Now I think the stock bulb is shorter, and the reason for that is because it does have heat. So they do calculate this not being close to the, plastic. But LED bulbs can be, as close as they need to be without causing heat issues and melting. So I think the manufacturers of these aftermarket bulbs know that, and so they're always a little bit longer than the stock ones because they're able to, fit in more components and lighting. So I don't know if you guys can see this thing, but it's a very nice bulb. So there's 12 little bulbs on each of the sides, and then there's 6 on the front or on the top. And in the middle of all that, you have an aluminum heatsink. So this thing really feels premium. And it looks like there's some kind of controller circuit there too, maybe for the CANBUS. Alright, so let's go ahead and grab one. And so all we got to do is just plug it in, just like that, and we should be done. So hopefully it'll fit into our housing in there, but before we put it in, I want to turn it on and see what it looks like. Alright, so I turned them on and they are crazy bright. And the camera's having a hard time picking it up because it's so bright, I guess. Way brighter than the stock bulbs. So it's kind of hard to see on camera, but hopefully you guys can see that. This is ridiculously bright. Alright, so let's put it in the housing and then we can compare it to the other one, which is stock. Well, hopefully it'll go right in. Alright, and it does look like it fits. And it locked in, so that's good. Everything seems to fit just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and put this cover back on. And just clips right on, that's it. Let's lower the lift gate. And check it out, it is a lot brighter than the stock one. I don't know how well you guys be able to tell on camera, but kind of a bad lighting. It's not dark right now, but yeah, check it out. That looks great. And so here's the stock one. It's also not terrible, but it's definitely more yellow and not as bright for sure. So yeah, this is really nice. I even like the way that looks better because it just looks more modern than the yellow hair. So alright, very cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that one, and then we'll check out what it looks like during a more darker time at night. Alright, so we got both of the bulbs in and it's looking really nice. So yeah guys, if you want some good LED lighting, check out Alla lighting. I'll have some links in the description below, so check it out. It's from Amazon. And if you enjoyed this video, then hit that like button. If you want to see QX56 videos, I got a few more things I'm going to do to this thing. So hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.